Okay, let's look at another example of finding the truth value of a statement. In this one, we have P and Q being true, and we have R being false. And they want us to find the truth value of the statement P or not R, and not P and not Q. So again, the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to actually translate P, R, and Q into the values that we are given. So we know that P is true, so we're going to rewrite this as true. And we know that not R, well, we know that R is false, so let's leave the not for now. So we're going to translate the R into false. And we have not, P again is true, and not Q also, it tells us, is true. So we've translated P, R, and Q away from the P, R, and Q into true or false as we need it. Now we're going to work inside the parentheses. But in order to work inside the parentheses, we need to deal with all of the nots that are going on in these parentheses. So the first set of parentheses becomes T, or not F is now T. We're going to translate that. And the second parentheses, not T becomes F, and again, not T becomes F. So this is what we now have. Once we have this, now we can look in the parentheses and deal with what we've got. So the first parenthesis says T or T. And remember, the rule for or is at least one of them has to be true. So that means that this parenthesis certainly is true. The second set of parentheses says false. And remember, the rule for and is that both of them have to be true, but in this case, neither one of them is true. So false and false is just going to give me false. So in the last example, true and false again for and, both of them have to be true, but they are not both true, which means that the truth value of this statement in total is just false.